to today?
The farm.
The Morningstar Farms.
You ready for the farm?
It's gonna be fabulous.
Farmtastic. That truck.
Farmtastic. So here we are in French Creek on Vancouver Island this morning with my family visiting. It's so awesome, and we're checking out Morningstar Farms. It's an awesome little farm here in French Creek that you can come check out, and it's free. You can have a self-guided tour. You can see farm animals, pat some goats and bunnies. We'll check out cow pens and also see if we can get some fresh milk. Yeah, so it's going to be a fabulous day. The sun came out. Yay! Hope you enjoy our little tour of Morningstar Farms. You're riding the cow!
Not real.
Not real? Aw. So this is Morningstar Farm. We're gonna go check out the farm animals this morning. We had a cheesy time at little Qualicum Cheeseworks. Hi everybody! Hi!
One of that one. I think that was the
trying to escape.
Bunnies! Look at the rabbits, Cal. You like the bunnies? Rabbits?
Did you know a female rabbit is called a doe? I feel like that's not right.
Well, it's on the sign.
Just write anything they want and we would believe it.
Ginger and honey.
rabbits. Do not change. Oh, ginger and honey. Perfect if you have a cold.
The biggest one is that one.
The biggest
That
rabbit.
one?
Oh, he's looking good.
You like them?
He's giving his friend a bath.
Aww.
Yeah.
You like the bunnies?
I'm gonna go look at the cows.
Bunnies!
Should we go see something else?
Yeah, I'm gonna go look at some cows.
Here we are in the cow pen. We're gonna check out the cows. Oh boy.
You missed the tiny little baby over there.
Hey Juliet, back from Montreal.
Yes, so happy to be here at the farm.
With your cousins.
That was in Zola. She was a brown cow. Oh, they got their Harry. Ooh, right there.
Yum yum. Cow, what do you think of the cows? What do you think of the cows?
Do we have horses?
Yes, there's a horse somewhere. We'll have to go check it out. What's this? Is it the stinky manure pit? Or silage?
The horses. I'm gonna go look at the horses.
Cows say moo. Moo.
I'm gonna go look at the horses.
Okay, we'll go find the horses. What do you want to look at, Juliet?
The horses. Juliet wants to look at the coffee. Yeah.
The cheese at the Cheeseworks. Whoa!
Grandma,
Yes.
those are the two biggest ones.
The big cows?
That one's the biggest one, and that one's the biggest one, that one's the biggest one. Oh, those three are the biggest ones.
They're all big cows. Where's the horses? Maybe they're out for a ride.
There's 2 sheep, 3 goats, Max.
Nice, they're all coming to say hi.
Don't like them.
What do you think, Cal? Yeah.
Goats.
What do you think, Juliet?
Very nice.
Oh, oh. Oh, he headbutted you.
Pat him like a dog. Oh, he's pooping now.
Hello. Hello.
Uh-oh.
You having an itch? Itchy. Itchy, itchy. I think you're gonna have a baby.
That one was just chasing me.
He's chasing you?
The black one. He's in the headlock.
This one's nibbling on my coat. Hi, buddy. Pat, pat, pat.
What are you? What is that one doing?
Let's get out of the critter corner. Ah, he's trying to escape. Hey, you. Almost dead.
Baba, yeah.
Baba. What's that? Oh, is that his ear? His ear. Getting a pat. Getting a pat here? Oh, soft ear. Is this ear soft? Finn? Oh, I don't know. I might get too dizzy. I might get dizzy. Where's the goats? The museum. This is new. Look at this. Let's go down here.
Yeah, we've got a little bit of everything.
These are the old milkers. The milk used to go in those bottles. Glass bottles, eh? That's where we get the milk from the cows.
It's just a great play.
Yeah. I love that about cheese boards. There aren't that many rules. You can mix and match. I always try and go for contrast, so very...
They didn't have any almond milk or oat milk.
It's weird because they're on like a
soy.
dairy farm. But
Well, I wonder why that is. So
I'm lactose intolerant.
but you're gonna risk it today.
I didn't
Oh, I'm having it black.
I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to
You're not gonna take one for the dairy farm team today.
I just went to go get a
Okay.
milk bottle.
Can't risk it.
No.
Did I scare you?
This is Canada's first milk on tap dispenser. Okay.
Okay.
Paper. There's the button. That's so cool. Yummy milk. Fresh milk. Be delicious. Except for not for Juliet. She's lactose intolerant. She's missing out.
There we go.
Ooh, fresh milk from Morningstar Farm. Nice. So that was a fabulous morning at Morningstar Farms. We got some fresh milk, we saw the cows, kids played in the playground, we played with some baby goats, and it's an awesome outing here in French Creek on Vancouver Island. How was your time at Morningstar Farm, Julia?
It was amazing. 10 out of 10.
10 out of-
Would recommend to anybody.
Cal, did you like the farm?
Did you like the farm, Cal? Was it fun? Yay!
What does the cow say?
The little cabin here is probably one of the original homesteads here. So cute.
Farm poo shoe. There's
Ew.
poo on there.
Ew, farm poo shoe. Don't eat your shoe, Cal. We had a cheesy time at little Qualicum Cheeseworks. Hi, everybody. Hi.